You can never betray yourself. Hauwezi kubali uingie blunder wholeheartedly, umeingia tu kwa makosa, alafu unanyawaza tu unasema that is life. Nakumbuka back then 20 years down the line, wakati niliamua kuchange my own life to an identity that I want to live, nikajambia tu kweli, unacheki boys, hii ni life, we have to live it, we have to build it, hakunanga otherwise. So watu zaliwa, people are born, but when you're born unalelewa kwa ile environment yenye the parents are making decisions for you, and the parents are the ones who create that will that you want to be. But ukiji-identify at some point, hiyo ndio maana na believe that in life hakunanga kitu yenye haina jibu. Anything you ask yourself has a question and has an answer. Kitu unajiuliza, one thing that you keep on asking yourself in this life, let nobody fool you that there is no answer, so that you resort to all these other malicious things for you to get answers. But I came to learn one thing. Like nimesema, around 20 years down the line, back then memories, when I was growing up at an age of 15, hapo ndo nilijita mkutano nikajiuliza, bro, ushazaliwa, reality ni kwamba life must continue na lazima umake your own decision. Hapo ndo nilichukua time yangu nikajipeleka meditation of about 6 months, nikiwa 2 months solo, najifikiria, najiuliza who am I, na kitu gani natafuta sana big